आज सुबह जैसे ही हमने पेपर खोला, हमें सबसे पहले एक प्यारी सी बच्ची की शक्ल दिखी जिसका नाम था राशि महाजन। तो आइए सबसे पहले हम राशि महाजन से ही मिलते हैं। हेलो राशि।
Hello.
First of all, my question to you is, you are in every newspaper, radio and some news channels. How does it feel?
Honestly, it feels amazing. I wasn't really expecting this, although I gave in everything I had. But I was not expecting to talk with Arva. It feels nice. I am so happy that I've made my parents and teachers proud.
Preparing for your exams, any special diet or any protein supplement you take?
I am very diet conscious. I am very picky about what I eat. No junk food. I eat nothing that makes me feel lazy, bloated, or anything that would interfere with my work. So only healthy stuff.
How many hours of study?
How many hours do you study?
70 to 18 hours from last 3 months. Since last three months.
Yeah, since the board exams, 17-18 hours, and before that 10-12 hours a day. That was the only thing I did other than sleeping and eating.
Rashi Mahajan now and Rashi Mahajan before. Some changes?
No, not really, but it feels so good from inside. It's given me another boost to excel in other exams. Like my results are yet to come for my medical entrance. Hopefully, I will do the same when I become a doctor. The entrance exam has definitely helped me in boards, and boards have helped me in entrance. So,
Okay, this question जो मैं भी आपको पूछने वाली हूँ, शायद सबको ही जानना चाहेंगे. What Rashi did when she knows कि वो सबसे टॉपर आई है धरवा में? What you did the first time?
first year.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. No, I knew I did everything I could do, but my marks were going to be good. I worked for it, but I would top. I didn't expect that. Even in class 10th, I got 97.2. So I was expecting, but I didn't top back then. I was 5th in Vidarbha 2 years back. I didn't know I would top Vidarbha this time.
What special help you got from your teachers and your parents and your friends? Something special you want to tell us?
My parents were my greatest inspiration. They're both doctors. I want to be a doctor, so I see my inspiration every day in front of me. The time I get up from my parents, like, oh god, they're doctors. I want to be a doctor. So they have been my role models all my life, from the nursery to the exam. I was like, wow, they've already reached where I want to reach. So that's that. And teachers have been like a constant support. And I have got what I've got because they've been so good in what they do. For all my teachers, the college teachers, my tuition classes, everybody focused on the basics, the concepts, the foundation. So it didn't matter whether it was the board exams or the CET. They both were really comfortable for me. For friends, we had group study sessions all throughout these 2 years. We studied together, cleared each other's doubts. Our phone calls, oh god, I would have like long phone calls explaining each other कि ये नहीं आया, वो नहीं आया. We had like all our phone calls would start like ये page खोल, or all our messages would be like this questions. So friends have been constant help, and we were all like competitors, and that was a healthy competition. So they were like a constant motivation. I have to excel 1 mark here and there in one test, and I would study more for the coming test. So I have really nice friends.
Just because your parents are doctor, you want to become a doctor?
No, actually I think this is a profession for life. That's why I want to become a doctor.
It was really a great feeling. She was really hardworking. We were expecting that she will score a better or a good marks. But on the top, it's really a very good feeling. As a father, as a parents, it's really a very good feeling.
Mom, how does it feel?
As a mother, because mother sometimes we say कि बच्चों से ज़्यादा मम्मी का एग्जाम होता है. So how does it feel?
बहुत खुशी हो रही है, बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है और राशि ने भी मेहनत की है और हम लोगों ने सपोर्ट किया है बस. That's it. बहुत ही खुशी हो रही है. सुबह तो मुझे ऐसे लग रहा था कि मैं कहाँ हूँ, पता नहीं चल रहा कि क्या हो रहा है करके. That's it. I'm very happy.
Your sister has become a role model for you. So how does it feel to you?
She's my role model. I want to score good marks like her, and I probably will study hard like her. And she's my best role model. I can just say that.
You want to break my records? He studies to break my records. He's like, oh, इस exam में भी राशि से ज़्यादा ही लाने हैं. I think it is important for everybody to have a vision of what they want to achieve. I've always had that vision that I want to achieve that. So the vision itself is the biggest motivation for you to work every day, not just like last night before the exam. Every day you wake up with that vision, that motivation, you make a plan, you implement that, and that it itself makes the whole process concentrated and focused, that you won't be, there are no diversions and distractions in this case. So that would be my advice.
Okay, this was Rashi with us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.